Hello friends, welcome to my channel where I provide daily job updates, internship updates and career guidance regarding the jobs that are being shared in the tech field. So here you can subscribe to my channel to get the daily job updates. So in today's video, I have brought you a wonderful job of front-end software engineer which is being provided by Tesla. So Tesla is hiring for front-end software engineer. It is a full-time role. Speaking of the job position, you will be working with fellow software engineers focused on building tools and Tesla's internal tools that facilitates process management of the designing, permitting and installation of energy products and system. So basically they are hiring for the front-end software engineer to develop their internal tools and process the management and designing of the installation of energy products and systems, like they are making cars. So the front end of their dashboard systems of the screen they are providing, it should be great, and the car should be showing the details of the map. So all the things that is related to that screen, you will be doing that stuffs. So the team will focus on building a stable and scalable platform that can be extended and configured for all Tesla energy and vehicle products. So basically here they are asking for Tesla energy and vehicle products. So the vehicle products here, they are pointing out to be a car, and they will want to make you and extend their opportunities on the Indian roads, because the Indian roads maps are little bit complex than average Europe or American roads. So that difficulty you will be solving here. I think that is the main purpose of the front-end software engineer in this company. The goal of this role and team is to enable our internal employees with ways to track, standardize, automate, and ultimately optimize all steps taken to energy installation job from start to finish. So they are saying that you will track, automate, and standardize the things that will help their car or vehicle to move smoothly. Speaking of the responsibilities, so you will be designing, developing, and supporting application and systems under the team scope, writing clean, maintainable, performant, and well-tested code to implement new features and fix bugs. So you will be working here at the end for code related and maintainable things, writing unit tests, integration testing, and work with quality assurance to coordinate timely regression for new features. So any new feature will be provided by the client or the company. You will be testing it and working with the quality assurance to coordinate and tell them that about the new features. Monitor live system metrics, respond to alerts, and troubleshoot production issues. So any troubleshoot is there in the production issue of that vehicle, you will be doing that and monitoring it continuously so that errors and bugs can be fixed. Investigate and understand existing systems technical functionality and propose technical improvements. So if you feel like any technical improvement is needed, you can also investigate it and tell the technical teams that this can be improved by this. Collaborate with product design and business stakeholders. So you will be also doing some designing and showing it to business stakeholders. Communicate changes in project estimates, dependencies, and blockers with affected stakeholders quickly. Own feature development and products through design, development, testing, and release to production. Means you can also develop a project and tell the development team of your project side by side, and if they like, they can release to the production level. Understand and improve the scalability, maintainability, availability, and visibility of applications. So whatever the applications at the end you will be working, you will be improving it, maintaining it, and make it available to the client. So you will be documenting newly implemented technologies and application functionality. So the documentation is also needed here. So you should have a good English command in reading and writing also. If we talk about the requirements, so you should have a degree in computer science or related field equivalent experience. So if you are having a computer science degree, if you are a graduate fresher, if you are a working profession, so you can also apply. Solid understanding of fundamental web technologies such as HTTP. So you should have solid understanding of web technologies like HTTP requests, REST APIs, AJAX, JSON, strong proficiency in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript of ES6 level, including DOM manipulation with the JavaScript object model. So you should have these things. Solid understanding of database principles, particularly how to query and update SQL databases. So you should have knowledge of SQL databases also, how the queries are being running in the things. Through understanding of REST principles and best practices of building and using RESTful APIs. So you should have a thorough understanding of REST APIs also, how the data is being shared and all that stuffs. Thorough understanding of core designing principle and common design pattern of Angular. So you should have a little bit knowledge of understanding of Angular also. Experience with common front-end development tools such as Vite, NPM, Yarn, etc. So front-end development tools also you should know, like Vite, NPM, Yarn. Experience with GraphQL is a big plus. So if you are knowing GraphQL, it is a bonus point for you. So talking about the location is in Mumbai, India. So as you know, it is all over the news that Tesla has opened their new dealership in Mumbai. So it is a great opportunity to work at Tesla. And the department will be engineering and research and development, and your function will be engineering and IT. So I have given apply link in the comment. You can go here and apply. So if you are having a referral code, you should go on LinkedIn and ask for referral code of your application. If you get referral code, it will be highly impacting on your resume also. Chances of your selection will be more. And here you have to upload your resume. You have to upload your CV. I should recommend you upload a sorry, here you go upload cover letter. Sorry, you have to upload a cover letter here and some personal details, mobile number, email, name, and etc. And after that you can preview and submit the application. So in this video I have told you about the front-end engineer software role that Tesla is hiring, and you can share it with your friend who is seeking this opportunity and searching for the role in front-end engineer. This is a great opportunity for the student, and for more job updates you can subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video to your friends who are seeking this opportunity. Till then, take care and have a good day.